Now, from the 1st to the 16th, as soon as you'll notice that the new energy vehicle retail sales is sitting at 427,000. This is from the 1st to the 16th of March, and this is up 63% from as compared to last month. This simply means that on average, new energy vehicle car makers, in terms of deliveries, they are doing pretty well, pretty solid, right? I mean, the total cumulative new energy vehicle sales, it's over 1.8 million, which is 36% increase year over year. This is something that is pretty good, man. This is decent because the more this market grows, the more companies like NEO will do very well. So 36% year to date, it is the kind of growth that we are seeing into new energy vehicle cars, and 63% growth, it is the growth that we are seeing from the 1st to the 16th of March, which again, that is something that is pretty solid, something that is really good to see coming from the new energy vehicle market in China. So the good thing about these figures, like I said, is that the more this market grows, the more companies like NEO will do very well. I mean, this year, global EV sales are expected to reach 20 million in total. And guess what? Plus minus 15 million of those are expected to come from China. Out of that 20 million, let me say it again, are expected to come from China. Plus minus 15 million, which that tells you something, man. To say that China is where new energy vehicle market is at. If you are not selling in China and you are selling EV cars, or if you have not survived, or if you can't face the heat of China when it comes to a new energy vehicle market, then unfortunately you cannot really say you are doing well. I'm talking about car companies like Rivian, Lucid, that are still not selling their EVs in China to test their products if it really works. As they must go to China and see if how well can they sell in China. They must go and test that market because that's where it's at. I don't know if they are having plans. I don't know that well as to what are the plans. When are they planning to penetrate China? But it will be interesting because as it stands, the United States of America does not want China to penetrate the market, which is why they impose 100% tariffs onto Chinese EV makers, right? So it will be very, very interesting to see how much some of these companies or car companies outside of China do in the Chinese market, because that's where the market is at, right? And if you can make it in China, I suppose you can make it anywhere, right? It's just that for NEO, our very own NEO, the reason why we have not been making it in Europe, it's simply because of the tariff increase, because of the cost that comes with buying the NEO car. I mean, NEO car, it's already expensive in China, but imagine now taking it to other countries, shipping cost, tariffs. Obviously, it becomes even more expensive for the people outside of China. But thank God we've got Onvo, we've got Firefly that NEO has launched as their sub-brand, and this is going to help NEO obviously be able to sell well outside of China, because these cars are cheap, but they will be coming with some pretty good, decent technology, which is great, and we look forward to that. So yeah, man, just thought I'd give you this quick update. 427,000 is what we have seen or received month to date from the 1st to the 16th of March, which is something that is great, because that one, like I said, it is a 63% increase year over year, which is very good, which is very, very sparks some positive sentiment to say that, look, NEO will do very well. We will do very well. And those that are persevering throughout the headwinds, the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. I know some people might not be seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, especially for our company NEO, but blue sky is coming. How NEO is running the business now, how NEO is doing their stuff now, it's very much different from even how they were doing it last year. Remember the CBU strategy that they've been implementing, that will help them get to profitability. Remember the other models or the new models that they are launching this year, that will help them get to profitability. and those that are still don't see this blue sky that is coming, I hope they don't regret not taking the opportunity right now. But again, it's up to you what to do with your money. It's up to you. I'm not certified to tell you what to do because I'm not a financial advisor, but all I can say is that let's brace ourselves. Hopefully things get better for New York. Of course, we can't say 100% guarantee, but from how things are unfolding, we can expect pretty good stuff, pretty decent stuff, which is something that is very, very good. So yeah, man, just thought I'd give you this quick update. Tell me what you think. Blue sky is coming. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share, like, because it is important that this news get to be spread out to the other New York community, because there are quite a number of people that don't believe that New York can do well this year, can sell the 100% which they said they would, which me, I've not ruled it off just yet. The 100% delivery growth rate that New York expects to get this year, I've not ruled it out as yet, because a lot can still happen, man. Because in Q3 there is another factory that is also coming, and therefore that factory will help New York be able to deliver more cars, which will be so great. So yeah, man, just thought I'd give you this quick update. I know share price wise, NEO might not be doing the most. I mean, as I'm doing this video in Hong Kong, NEO is down 2%. Yesterday in the US, NEO finished down 0.7%, which hopefully things get better for NEO. Tomorrow is the earnings. I've already spoken a lot about that. We're expecting great things, and hopefully those earnings tomorrow plays a huge part or a huge role into continuing making the share price of NEO to explode like that. I will see you on the next one, and God bless you all.